Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is blink the fact. Blink the fact, which means shut one's eyes to the fact. यानी हकीकत से आंखें बंद कर लेना या बंद कर लें, वहाँ पे हम ये idiom use कर सकते हैं. Sometimes it happens that people they don't want to see reality or fact in their life. In such cases we could use this, that someone is blinking the fact. How we are going to use it in sentences like, you cannot blink the fact that there is a war. So we have used here this idiomatic expression as blink the fact. Here is another sentence, you can't blink the fact that the country's economy is suffering. यानी आप इस हकीकत से मुंह नहीं फेर सकते या अपनी आंखें इस हकीकत से बंद नहीं कर सकते कि कंट्री की इकोनॉमी सफ़र कर रही है. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression in the sentences or situations.